Sit. Sit down. Sit. No, that's not how you get it. Here's a little taste. Whoa. That's good. All right, get down. Let's show the people how good you've learned your trick, okay? Get down. Get down. Get down. All right, get down. We'll show them. All right. Sit. Sit. Whoa, big jumping. No, I didn't say jump. I said sit. 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 Good boy. You were almost there. Sit. You have to sit all the way down. Sit. Sit. All the way. Sit. I'm going to have to get in. You're not getting this one unless you sit. Sit. You did the first sit so pretty. I should have filmed then. Here, come over here where it's dry. Let's try it over here. Sit. 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 No. I did not say jump. I did not say jump. You have to sit. No. Yeah. No, don't tell me yes. I said no. I said you have to sit. You're learning all the other tricks really. No, not yes. Not no. I said no, not yes. Big Pig has learned to jump up. He's learned to nod his head yes. And he's learned to sit. But sit is the one he doesn't want to do. Sit. Sit. I'm going to push on your tushy, okay? You got to sit. Show Mama sit. Hey. Show Mama sit. 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 Good boy. Good piggy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. That's a good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Yes, he is. Okay. Now, up. Come here. Up. You can sit. You have to stand first. Want to show Mommy an up? Show Mama up. Come on. Oh, yeah, there was one. There was one. Good boy. All right. Can you show Mama yes? Yes. Yeah, good boy. That's Mommy's smart pig. Yeah, that's a good boy, Pig. All right, let's have dinner, you. I hear thunder.